Hi, I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I am making Panda Express Beijing Beef that is quick and easy to make. Here are my ingredients: flank steak, ground ginger, white pepper, black pepper, salt, red bell pepper, egg, onion, cornstarch, flour, oil, and of course I'll be using Panda Express sauce, and the way I'll be making it will give you the same Panda Express taste. First, we're going to slice our bell pepper and onion into 1-inch pieces. Just like so. After chopping your bell pepper and onion, go ahead and set it aside. Now grab your steak and cut it into 1-inch pieces. Just like so. Next, we're going to season our beef by adding ginger, white pepper, black pepper, and salt. And make sure everything is well covered with the spices. Just like so. Now it's time to set our breading station. Crack your egg in a bowl. To that, add 1.5 tablespoons of water and whisk it. And this will be our egg wash. Now set it aside. Now take your flour and add it to the cornstarch and your salt. Now give this a good whisk until well combined. Now it's time to put our beef together. Go in and add a few pieces to the egg wash. Make sure they're nicely coated with the egg wash. Now into the cornstarch and flour. This is how they're looking after the batter. Now let's move over to the wok. In a large pot or a wok, fill it up enough with oil for frying. After it's nice and hot, go in with your steak. And we're going to fry these for about 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how they're looking. They are starting to get nice and golden. Now you can go ahead and remove them from the heat and continue the same process for the rest of them. So this took me about 4 batches and they look absolutely amazing, guys. Now pour out the oil. After removing the oil, we are going to start with some fresh oil. Now go in with your onion and bell pepper. Now lightly season it with salt. Now we're going to saute these until they're starting to brown. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. So after 6 minutes, they are ready for the sauce. Now take your Panda Express sweet and tangy Beijing sauce and pour it right on top. Since our sauce is already pre-made, we don't have to wait for it to thicken. Now go in with your steak. They are nice and crunchy and they look amazing, guys. Take a look. Now pour it in right in your sauce and make sure all the steaks are coated. So my Panda Express Beijing Beef is ready and it looks delicious, guys. How about that taste test? So good. This was super quick and easy. Same great taste as Panda Express. You guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.